Again, it's an orange box with Louis Vuitton lettering and wrapped in royal blue ribbon. Smells like perfume. I don't know, is it the smell of the bag or what's inside of the bag? Oh my god, it smells so good. The first thing we see is the outside zip pocket. And the zipper is very smooth. So let's see what's inside. So it's pretty big. It's a very large pocket. You can put a small bag inside of this pocket. There's something else inside. Ooh. I think it's perfume samples. The zipper is very smooth. I am pleased with the zipper. The canvas is also very soft. I like the hardware on the zipper. It looks like they are very comfortable. And the zipper is very smooth. Inside there is a big pocket, like a big flat pocket, and also there is a label that says made in France. So there is an inside label that says made in France. There are 3 pockets inside. So there is one big pocket and there are 2 small pockets. They're not zipped, they're just flat pockets. And yeah, this is it. The lining is made of textile. Is so soft. See how you can fold this backpack and put it inside the travel bag. So it's very soft. This is it. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.